Ready to make traditional lotus root cakes. I'll show you the whole process, beginning with the starch. First things, we grab the freshest lotus roots, peel them, and wash them. I mean really wash them. Gotta get rid of all that dirt and mud. Now, we grind these clean roots into a creamy paste. See how we use a low-temp process. That is the secret to keeping all the nutrients locked inside. Next, we add water to the lotus paste. Give it a good stir and start the starch wash. Then comes the fun part. We put this washed paste into a special strainer to let the water drain out. This step requires patience, as the sifting of the lotus root starch must be repeated several times. We're not done cleaning yet. We wash the starch a second time, stir it well, and strain it again. Repeat the washing to get more starch out of the lotus pulp. Then, we let the starch settle overnight to purify it. Next morning, we drain out all the old water, add fresh water, stir it really well, and then we repeat that whole washing process again. We do this repeatedly to filter out all the impurities and make sure we get the purest, snowiest white lotus root starch possible. After repeating those washing and straining steps, this time we let the starch settle for just half a day. We drain the water one last time, and boom! We finally have that beautiful, pure, snowy white, high-quality lotus root starch. Now that we have this perfect white starch, we carefully scoop it up, wrap it tightly in a cloth, and hang it outside to start the sun-drying process. This is a classic method. We use the natural heat of the sun and the power of the wind to slowly and naturally remove all the moisture. It takes time. But this traditional drying step is key for getting that firm texture and the best flavor. Once it forms hard little chunks, we carefully slice them into flakes with a knife. As an ancient poet described it, 不分薄久，羊片片银刀划, like silver pieces cut by a chilling blade. We let these flakes dry completely one more time in the sun. Finally, we jar them up. Serve this delicious, nutritious starch with nuts. It's amazing! Alright, let's make the cake. We take some starch, sticky rice flour, osmanthus honey, and milk. Mix them together until they're smooth. Steam it until it sets, and set it aside. Next up, we carefully transfer this mixture into a special mold, and then, into the steamer it goes. We need to steam it until it is perfectly set and firm. For the famous osmanthus layer cake, we mix milk and coconut milk with gelatin until it dissolves. Pour it into a glass mold and let it set up. You can chill it in the fridge to speed things up. Next, dissolve more gelatin with osmanthus honey in hot water. Pour this layer right on top of the first layer and let it set. Next, dissolve more gelatin with osmanthus honey in hot water. Pour this layer right on top of the first layer and let it set. We keep repeating the layers milk a coconut, then osmanthus until the mold is full. Once it is all solid, pop it out and slice the cute bouncy layer cake. And we do the same with our steamed lotus root cake. We cut it into squares, put it on a plate, and drizzle extra osmanthus honey on top for flavor. There you have it. 2 amazing osmanthus treats made from scratch. This ancient art is part of our traditional cuisine. Try these at home and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. See you next time.